Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn about how can we create a simple sales invoice within the Microsoft Word. So stay tuned and watch till the end because I'm going to show one of the shortcut as well to perform one of the tasks to create the sale invoice. So let's start the video. So for example, I have a blank document. First of all, I would like to reduce its margin, the page margin. So I will go to layout and then you can see margin option. Click on this one and you can see custom margin. And now why I want to change the margin because there will be a more area on the top and the bottom to write the text to create the different formatting. So let's say from the top, I want 1.5 centimeter, and from the bottom, again, I want the same 1.5 centimeters, so I have more room to write or to create the invoice. So press OK. Now I have more room to write the text or to create the different tables for the invoice. So first thing I will say, I will write the sale invoice word. So I will select from the clicking on the left hand side. And then from the home tab, I will change it. I will first make it bold and then increase its font size. I can change the font style as well to this one and then increase its sale invoice style. And then from here you can do the alignment. So if you want to do center, you can do center now. So next thing is, so it's still showing me the same formatting. So I don't want this formatting. So again, I will select those and then I will just simply select Arial with the 12 size. Okay, so next things, I want to insert the table for writing the business name, business address, and the telephone number. So I will go to insert and then there is a table option here. I can insert the table. I just need one column with the 3 rows. Click on this one. I can resize it. I can select this one and change the color from here, change its style to this one, and then I can squeeze to make it smaller. So I will write the business name here. Second one is address. For example, the address is United Kingdom and the phone number is this one. Okay. And now next one is I want to insert another table. How can I insert? I want to insert another table to writing the different column heading. For example, quantity, the price, the total amount on the description. So how can I insert the table? There are two ways of inserting table within the Microsoft Word. One is go to insert and table option here and you can select the rows and the columns, whatever you want. If you want 2 columns, this one. If you want 3 columns, keep going to the right hand side. And if you go to keep going to left, the down, it will keep increasing the number of rows. The second option is shortcut. The shortcut key to insert the table is Alt N T I. A window will pop up. It's showing me how many number of columns you want, number of rows you want. I just want one column and sorry, I want name, description, and amount. 3 columns and the 2 rows. So press OK. Now you can see 2 rows with the 3 columns has been inserted. Let's discuss some of the formatting. So for example, if I write the name here, description, and amount, very simple invoice, just have 3 columns. So name, Let's say it's a product name. So in terms of formatting, so let's drag it longer to make it look like proper invoice. Drag it here. Okay, so if I want to change the cell color of these headings, so I will click on left hand side, and from the home tab I can see the option, this one. So if I select this one, it will change the background color of these columns. If I want to make it a border between these columns, so I will go to the border option, borders and shading, and inside, if I just click on inside one, and from here, if I select color white and then click on the inside line, press OK, it will create the white line between the column heading. Again, you can bold it, it's already bold, you can make it italic if you like. So this is how you can format your data within Microsoft Word. You can change its alignment as well to make it on the left hand side, center, right hand side. So this is all about the formatting. The last one is I want to add signature, signature and date. So signature here, date here. So if I click left hand side, it will come here. And if you want to move it to the right hand side, it will come here. You can change its size from here. Yeah, so signature and date. So this is a very simple sale invoice format. You can create a multiple columns, you can add an additional columns, you can create another row as well, and you can put some more detail as well. So this is kind of idea how can you create sale invoice within the Microsoft Word. So this was the very simple format. Hit the like button if you like this video, and make sure to subscribe my channel if you want to watch more tips and tricks. So I'll see you guys in next video.